Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're tackling the GBPUSD pair, analyzing both recent news and the corresponding chart data. Let's start with a look at the overall trend. The daily chart reveals a downward trend in the GBPUSD since November 2023, as reported in recent news sources like FX Street and Action Forex. The pair has been steadily declining, with significant price drops in September and October. Note that the GBPUSD is trading below 1.2250, hitting its lowest level since November 2023. We can zoom in on specific periods to gain more insight into price fluctuations. Focusing on the September-October period reveals a sharp decline correlated with news of UK bond market turbulence and trader confidence in the sterling taking a significant dive. Notice how support levels were broken, which fueled more bearish sentiment. Now, let's look at the 1-hour chart. This time frame allows for a more granular analysis, enabling us to spot short-term price movements and potential reversals. We can see several instances of short-term bullish and bearish reversals that happened in November, coinciding with short-lived positive and negative news. Finally, for the most granular view, the 15-minute candlestick chart shows considerable short-term volatility. During periods of significant volatility, which we also observe during the times highlighted by the daily chart, you can clearly see that the GBPUSD may be more responsive to short-term news. However, the overall trend remains bearish for now. Let's recap the key price levels that appear significant. We observe a substantial drop below 1.2250, which served as a major support and resistance levels for several weeks, confirming a bearish trend. There was also a notable price rise that was stopped at the 1.2550 level, hinting at potential bearish pressure in the near future. However, there is a chance that the current level can turn into a support zone and a small bullish move can be seen in the short term. However, long-term outlook is still heavily dependent on macro factors. In terms of predictions, a continued downward trend appears most likely in the long term, but this is not certain. Increased UK bond market stability and positive economic news could improve the outlook, reinforcing a bullish bias in the short term. Things to watch out for include potential news releases, including upcoming UK economic reports and Bank of England announcements. Significant fluctuations around the 1.2250 level will be crucial. Overall, it's important to note that the market is dynamic, and any short-term or long-term predictions are subject to unexpected events. The GBPUSD has proven susceptible to volatility based on both news and chart analysis, highlighting the necessity of diligent risk management and careful consideration of various factors when planning trades.